Guys doing today on this Monday? Well, I'm back again, about to do a next video. One of our newer recruits kind of wanted to see what needed to get done to help her. So for me to just help her, I'm gonna just do a video because like most people are visual, so they learn by watching. So as you guys saw my earlier video, I was able to cash out. I got money in the account. I made $1,500 in since Sunday. Damn, yesterday. Anyways, it's just crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. Um, if I wouldn't have been recording it and been doing this Facebook lives, I wouldn't believe it myself either. You know what I mean? Because, like I said, we all been burned, we all been scammed. So, with that being said, let's jump on board. But again, let me show you. Let me be your sponsor. Let's walk together. Let's lock arms so we don't get lost between the path. So as you log into the link, you're gonna come. You're gonna come. If you have, okay, I'm gonna start from the beginning. Start from the beginning. Okay, so you need to fund the wallet. It takes Bitcoin. It takes Bitcoin, PayPal, credit card, bank wires, cash. I don't use hardly any of those PayPal, credit card stuff. I use a lot of Bitcoin. So you would hit your fund. You would fund your wallet. The only thing that I don't like about this so far is that every time that you click a button, a new page opens. You know what I mean? That's kind of like, I would think that the developers could have had better development on them. Well, anyways, so you're gonna come here. You're gonna put whatever amount of dollars you want to put. One from because your all packages, the premium or the standard are all $10. You know what I mean? It's just the standards only pay you 5%, and the premiums pay you all the way up to 50% and faster. So you go here, you put in the number. Most of the people that I have been dealing with are putting in $1,000 because at $1,000 at 30%, you're getting $300 a day. And I'm gonna show you how as soon as you deposit the money, you get paid instantly. Okay, so because I already deposited my money, you're gonna go here and go to deposit. So we're gonna go here. We're already there. So let's see here. Okay. So it's gonna take you here to buy. So you see how you have 5%? But I want premium packages. You see? I want premium packages. Okay. So I'm gonna make sure that I click the premiums because I want that 30%. I want to be in and out, in and out. You know what I mean? In and out quick. Okay, okay, okay. Buy premiums. Because if I would have bought right there, I would have bought the standard ones. Okay, so here I'm buying the premiums. Okay, there you go. You see, new purchases. So I'm gonna get so this investments, this 30 contracts is gonna pay me 30% for the next $5 for the next 5 days. How cool is that? What other investment is paying you 30%, guaranteeing you 100% on your investment and paying you daily, right? So we're gonna go there. So I'm gonna buy it, confirm. Boom. You have successfully purchased 30 premium packages. Okay? This is what I did the first time. I clicked this get paid page. Okay, I clicked it because oh shit, I want to get paid, but we're not supposed to click it from here because when we bought the premiums, what we are doing, we're enabling the express pay. This means that instead of getting paid in 3 days, you get paid within 24 48 hours. I did my video yesterday. It took me 24 hours, got my stuff. So from here, I just go to my pay now. I'll close the other windows. How cool is that? How simple is that? Okay. Um, you're gonna come down here. So now it's telling me how many. contracts I have. I have 233 now, 53 because I had two. I bought 30 new, but I already got paid on the other ones where I got the 621. But on this 30 new contracts, I haven't gotten paid. So just by a push of this button, $90 was is deposited into the account. So now every day by tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning, when I wake up, time to go to work, I can come in here and click that button and $90 for the next 5 days. So I'm taking $300 that I could have spent really easy, and I'm gonna turn them into about $450. Let's do the math. Let's do the math. We said it was 5 days times 90. Hold on. Times 90. So I'm gonna get $450 for $300. So by Friday, I took that $300 and worked for me, and it's giving me back $450. How freaking cool is that? So once again, I'm reaching out to you to help you. Right now, we're going through a situation where people are in dire need of help, financial help. You know, where something that's for real, something that's gonna be able to help them, something that's gonna be able to put money into their pocket instead of draining it. I know this. It's happened to me before. Not one time, it happened to me a couple of times. As an entrepreneur, sometimes you gotta take faith, and sometimes people prey on faith and they screw you. But you still gotta keep moving forward and do your due diligence. And that was the reason why I've been doing these videos since I started a couple of days ago to do this to show you guys that it's possible, it's real. I'm doing it. I'm not just trying to get people to invest their money. I'm putting my hard-earned money as well into this. You know, let's make this 2020 year finish on a good standing note. So I invite you. Let's walk together. Click that link, get a free pack. Get one free pack on us, on me, and let me show you what it could do for you. $90, that pays a cell phone bill. That pays that light bill. That takes you and your wife out to eat for a night. I don't know what $90 might do for you, but in 5 days, $450 will do something better than 300 would have done for you, right or wrong. So, with that being said, peace, love, and abundance always be with thee. It is your God given right. Execute it, do it. Let's make it happen. Peace, love, and abundance.